Hello everyone, welcome to channel Qtomation. In today's session, we will see how to reverse a list. For example, let's say we have one sample list which is having following elements and we have to just simply reverse those elements, reverse those sample list elements. For example, if this is the original sample list elements, then after reversing the order should change or it should reverse. So now let's see. So there are two approach by which we can simply reverse a list. So we will see one by one. Now I am going to PyCharm. Let's create a new file, new Python file. I am naming it as reversing list. So we have created a Python file. Let's create one list as well. Okay, so we have created one sample list. We have named it as my list. So this is our list and we want to reverse this list now. So how we can reverse it? So first approach is by using reverse method. So in Python we have one method, that is reverse method, which can be used to reverse a list. So let's print the list before reversing. So print, I am simply printing my list before reversing, comma, and then simply print my list. So if we run this file, so let's run this file. So it will print our original list initially. So this is our list which we have created here. Now let's use my list dot reverse. So this reverse method will reverse this element of this my list, and after using this reverse method, let's again print, and again using print statement and my list after reversing, and again let's print my list. So let's run this file. So my list before reversing, so this is our original list and this is after reversing. So after using reverse method, if you can see, the list is reversed now. So this is the approach 1 to reverse the list. Now let's see approach 2. Is by using slicing technique. In this we can use slicing operator. So what I am going to do, I am going to commenting this code, first approach code. So this is our list. Now I am going to do, let's print original list as well before reversing. So it will print original list as it is, and after that I am going to use my list I am going to show you what exactly slicing operator do. So I am putting starting index as 1 and then 4. So we have seen that this is basically slicing operator. So it will print, if you print, let's use print statement, and let's print this one more time. So what it will do, so this is the starting index and this is end index. So we have already seen that starting index will always start from 0 and 1. So at first position there is 33 and 4 at fourth position. For end index it is always starts from 0, it is always starts from 1. Starting index starts from 0, whereas when we calculate the end index it starts with 1, 2, 3 and 4. So on fourth 66 is there, and on this starting index position 33 is there. So it will print 33, 55 and 66. So this is the function of, this is the how the slicing operator works. So let's run this file. So when we run this file, it will simply print 33, 55 and 66. So this is the start index and this is end index. So in this slicing operation, if we don't use starting index and end index, then we know that it will simply print, let's run this file, it will print all the elements or all the list elements, right? Because starting index and end index are not mentioned. Now, if we put one more colon, so this is starting index, this is end index, right? And after that I am putting one more colon or slicing operator. After that, if I put 1, then again it will print all the elements. So it will print all the elements in the same order as the original. But instead of 1, if we put -1, then it will simply print the list element, all the list element in reverse order, right? So that is, this is our original list which we have printed here, and after using this slicing operation with -1 as a step value, right? So this is the starting index, this is, sorry, so this is the starting index, so we have to put start index here, but as we have to print all the elements, we are not using starting and end index. Instead of that, we are using 2 colons and -1. So this is a step value, and by using this statement we can simply print the list in reverse order. You can see here, right? So this is the, or we can simply use statement also, print my list after reversing, and then let's put comma and let's run this file. So this is before reversing and this is my list after reversing. So these are the two approach by using which we can simply reverse the list. So we have seen first approach, that is by using reverse method. In Python we have default reverse method which can be used to simply reverse a list element, and similarly we have also seen by using slicing technique, right? So we have seen slicing technique in which we have to use this statement, right? 2 colons and -1, that is a step value, right? And after using this statement we can simply print the list element in reverse order as well. So thank you everyone.